Folks, Nick the Nurse here. Today we're going to be talking about some of the nursing interventions associated with the nursing problem of hypoparathyroidism. Now, with hypoparathyroidism, nursing interventions can include having calcium gluconate on hand for severe hypocalcemia. Why is that? Well, if you'll recall from the signs and symptoms video, you know that with hypoparathyroidism, you have decreased calcium, increased phosphorus. Again, that's decreased calcium, increased phosphorus levels. So you might want to have calcium gluconate on hand for an acute drop in calcium, right? We want to maintain the patient's airway, keep a patent airway there, administer oxygen, monitor for signs of hypocalcemia, administer Amphigel to reduce phosphorus levels as ordered, right? And that's another tidbit. It's not just when you're discussing hypoparathyroidism, and I don't really want to go off on a tangent here because I want us to stay focused on this particular disorder, but there are certain things that have a tendency to come up more often than not on nursing school exams. And if you have a patient who has increased phosphorus, as you do when a patient has hypoparathyroidism, you need to automatically think Amphigel, because that will reduce or lower the patient's phosphorus levels. Keep that in mind. You also want to initiate seizure precautions, monitor for signs of tetany, which include muscle cramps, spasms, and tremors. You want to have a respiratory crash cart on hand in the event of a laryngospasm. Teach the patient to adhere to a low phosphorus diet. Remember, because with hypoparathyroidism, you have increased phosphorus, decreased calcium. Keep that in mind. And you also want to encourage a diet high in calcium and vitamin D. So a lot to remember there. But again, remember, increased phosphorus, decreased calcium, or decreased calcium, increased phosphorus in hypoparathyroidism. Again, my name's Nick the Nurse. I'd like to thank you for watching this video today. If you'd like to check out any of my other completely free videos, they're all located at www.nickthenurse.com. Again, that's www.nickthenurse.com, or you can check them out on my YouTube channel at Nick the Nurse. Thanks, and I'll see you next time.